All right, what up YouTube? We back with another video, man. Today we're gonna be filming on 315s on the wide body scat. So I got 305s on here. You know, it comes stock, but shit, this shit got a badass flat. But I'm about to just replace both of these, man. I don't know how I'm gonna get this bitch to the damn motherfucking what you call this shit, the damn tire shop. But shit, we gonna have to go there today, like right now. I'm gonna just have to drive it there. But no, y'all see how big these are? Like, look at my hand compared to the tire. Like, that is crazy. Like, bro, tires is massive as hell. But no, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Shit, when we open up the garage, try to get this car out the fucking garage. All right, y'all, I'm back now. We got the garage open and shit. But no, so these are tires I got. Got these bitches off Amazon. They like full weight tires. I'm gonna put the link in the description. They 315s. Yeah, they like 315s. 35Z R20, so you know we about to put this in the back, 30s in the back, because as y'all can tell, like, you know, this shit popped, that shit done for it. But I think I need like one of my other lug nuts. I don't know if I need these or not. I'm about to try to find it. It's like literally stuck in the bottom of my trunk, because like I guess when I was like just driving in general, it just eventually slid under there, so I gotta try to find it. So I'm gonna get back with y'all, but first I'm gonna give y'all that cold start. I ain't cold started this thing in like 5 days, no cap. All right, y'all, I had to get us out the damn car. It's so loud outside. But no, what we gotta do? We gotta, what we gotta do? Shit, oh yeah, I gotta move up the car a little bit. I gotta move this bitch up some, just a little bit, just a little bit. And we gotta drive there on this flat ass tire too. Like, let me show y'all. Hold on, why this shit not turning on? See, that shit, like, it's done for. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I find this lug nut shit, and then I put these fucking tires in the back. All right, y'all, so look, I found this, right? I got this one, but it's another one. It's like, I don't even know how I'm gonna be able to show y'all this. Like, it's like under here, like it's under there. Hold on, I gotta get the light. So like, I don't know how good y'all can see, but it's literally like right under there, no cap. What I need is like right there. See that silver thing? It's right there, so I gotta try to get that out. I don't even know how I got under there, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, it's like shit all in here, bro, like all under the car, and I can't take this out. I literally cannot take this out whatsoever. So I'm about to come back with y'all like in like probably like another 5 minutes, because like, bro, this shit taking too long to get out, bro, no cap. All right, y'all, we took it out. Got the damn fucking lug nut shit. Damn, it's a lot of bullshit under here, no cap. All right, here go a better view of the flat. I swear to y'all, bro, I'm about to learn how to change my own tires and oil by the end of this year. I swear to God, I need to learn that shit, no cap. All right, y'all, bro, these tires so big, bro, I can't even get this one in there, bro. I can't get this shit in here. I can't get it in there, bro. So we're gonna have to put it in the back seat. So I'm about to make some room, even though it ain't really nothing back here. What's back here? Nothing. Okay, I gotta get a cloth thing, because I'm not about to put these on my rear seats. Bro, I never even realized how big this tire is. So fucking big, bro. Like, I don't know if the camera really doing it justice, but bro, like, this shit barely fit. Like, it barely fit. Oh yeah, bro, oh my God, look at my sunroof. Like, my shit fucked up. Like, see how this side is? It's like down, and then right here, I don't know, it's like up. Bro, if y'all know how to fix this, please let me know, man. This shit fucked up. Like, how I break my sunroof, bro. Like, bro. But no, if y'all got any suggestions, like, leave it down below. For real, I gotta get this shit fixed. All right, y'all, we literally driving with the hazards on right now, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's my tire flapping. Y'all hear that, bro? Like, my tire is literally fucking flapping. All right, y'all, we almost there. And here we go, we gotta go to this fucking train track. I'm scared as hell. Bro, this fucking 6-minute drive. Oh shit, oh fuck, oh shit. Bro, this 6-minute drive, bro, took like 10-20 minutes, bro, no cap. Shit is outrageous. All right, y'all, we pulling up to the damn tire shop. Here we go. I think this is it. Shit, this gotta be it. Oh, this is it. All right, fuck it, we here. Finally made it to this bitch. How the fuck you get in here? Oh shit, it's a red light. Oh, I almost ran the motherfucking red light. How the fuck we gonna get in here? We got a tire shop right there. Bro, last year when I brought my RT here, bro, it was literally nothing in the middle of this shit. Like, it was nothing at all, bro. They was like fixing this shit, bro. It like fucking a meteor hit this bitch. I'm not gonna lie, but this shit look way better though. No cap. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when we pull in. All right, y'all, he said we could record too, so we good to record. My hand dirty as hell. Okay. Bro, I'm surprised I even made it here, but this shit crazy. Pull this shit in real quick. I've been all this before. And I'm gonna give you all the after we get done. Damn, that shit look clean as hell right there on the rotor part. Or not the rotor, but like the brake. That shit look clean as hell. I ain't never seen it like this before. This shit really jacked up. I'm not gonna lie, bro, I gotta look at my tires. Bro, this Toyota, look at how fucking shred, like, bro, the metal is literally showing, bro. This shit is crazy, gang. Oh my god.
How much you got them for?
I got them for like literally $250 for each, literally. Yeah. But I only got them because just to do donuts and stuff.
It's a good deal.
Man, do you guys sell 305s at all?
I might in the back, but they'll be used.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. How much do you usually sell them for?
Used? You know, sometimes if it's real good, by 80. Sometimes between 60 and 70.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I remember you said for the 240.
Deals, you know,
yeah. Because I remember you said for the 245s, you said they were like, I think like $50.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we got the first tire on. Still ain't got the second one on though. They putting it on right now. He low-key like put some tire shine on my shit. My shit look shiny as hell. Bro, look at these tires, bro. This shit is crazy, bro. Like, damn, these bitches was flat as hell. I would take these bitches home with me, but I do not have no room in my car. And these bitches dirty as fuck. I'm not putting these on the red seats. I'm not gonna lie, gang, I think I might have to get a car wash after this, bro. Like, this shit is crazy. And I gotta wash my fucking hands before I get back in the whip. This shit is crazy. The only thing that look clean on here is the tire, because he put tire shine on me. This shit look clean as hell. No cap. Like, damn, them bitches look sexy as fuck on there. No cap. But this bitch is so dirty. Brian drove this bitch in like a week and a half. So I can't wait to drive this bitch. I'm not gonna lie, I was having withdrawals from not driving this motherfucker. Like, damn. I never thought that would happen. Bro, my brake dust in the front look crazy. This, bro, like, this is ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta find me some new brake pads ASAP. Alright, y'all, we got both on. Shit look clean as hell. Can't wait to try these out. There you go, the other side right here. I can't really tell. It don't really like it sit different, but it is bigger in the back though. But we gonna see. Alright, gang. You're leaving the tire shop. And the first place I gotta go is the fucking gas station. No cap. Bro, I have no gas. Like, literally. But no, so we go to the gas station, man. We gonna fucking put this bitch in track mode. No cap. Going straight for track. Now I gotta roll up the window. Holy shit, bro. I just gripped so hard. I did not slide at all. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. These 315s in the back, this might be the wave every time, bro. No cap. I wanna put 315s on the front too so it can sit right. Because right now it's like offsetted a little bit. I can tell this shit offsetted as hell. It definitely feel like it's like more ass in the back. Like it's like this kind of like, I don't know if that like makes sense or not, but like my shit usually be sitting like this, like have my hand straight, but my shit sitting like this now, so I don't know. But no, man, y'all know what the fuck I'm trying to say, bro. I can't fucking talk. I can never fucking talk. But no, like I'm gripping hella hard though, no cap. Yeah, let me get a hard pull in. I'm about to just full throttle it right now. Oh my god, bro. This shit feels crazy good. Bro, I have not spun one time yet. Even though these are brand new ass tires, but I ain't even spin once. It's crazy because I was spinning them with my 305s, but they was Pirellis. I don't know. People say Pirelli's trash, but shit, them bitches like, I had them bitches for like 7 months now. And I ain't really like crashed out of nothing, but like, I was spinning a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, on the Pirellis. But these full weight tires, bro, these shit's crazy. Can't really cut up how I want to because it's slow ass Chevy. Shit, bro. Alright, we finally made it to the gas station. Damn. Bro, I have not drove in fucking track or sport. I haven't even really drove this car in like a fucking week, bro. This shit crazy. Like, damn, bro. This shit feels so good to drive this bitch. But it definitely sit weird. It sit weird as hell. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. Let me roll up my windows, bro. I'm about to go pay for this damn gas. Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I pay for this gas, though. Alright, y'all, we about to see what this 50 ball do. Gas like $4.49, bro. This shit crazy as hell. No cap. Alright, we just put that 50 ball in there. Let's see where that shit got us to. Let's crank this motherfucker up. Damn, that shit didn't even get me to a real full tank. No cap. Oh, it got me like 177. Okay, that's cool. But now I'm gonna give y'all one more final look around of the tires. This is what a 315 look like on a SCATPACK wide body. This is what a 305 look like. I'm not gonna lie, I want to get some 315s for the front too, so it can. Alright, y'all, my fucking battery just died on my camera, so I gotta switch over to the phone. But no, I was saying this is what it look like. And then this is what the other side look like. Did this shit like you see right? I don't know, I can't really tell. But I kind of like it like that though, like where it's like bigger in the back a little bit. Like, shit look hard, I'm not gonna lie. But no, man, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. If 200 of y'all literally subscribe, bro, we literally gonna be at 1,000, man. No cap. That's literally crazy, like, bro. But no, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys later, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.